everyone, welcome to our podcast Aqua Talks presented by MANAGE-FISHub. This platform brings you inspiring stories, innovation and income-driven startup from aquaculture and fisheries ecosystem. Today we are delighted to host Mr. Amit Patil sir, one of the director of Aquadore Ventures Private Limited. Hello sir. Sir, could you briefly introduce about yourself and tell us about Aquadore Ventures Limited?
Myself, Dr.Amithkumar Patil. I have done my PhD in biotechnology. At Aquadore Ventures Private Limited, we are three founders, Mr. Rohan Patil, Mr. Amol Bhagat, and myself. At Aquadore Ventures, we aspire to look at farmers and farming practices in a different way. We want small-scale farmers and well-established farmers to have access to modern technology so that they can have a better product and they can have better access to market. Other than that, all of us have a fishing background. We come from a fishing community. We are also into manufacturing of ready-to-eat and ready-to-cook seafood snacks, or in a generalized category of non-vegetarian snacks. What our aim is, non-vegetarian snacks to be available to a vast majority of the population, because most of the times it so happens that whenever there is a word of non-veg, it is inaccessible to a lot of people, especially when it comes to fish and prawns. So we want to make the product more accessible so that everyone will be able to enjoy it. Also, they will be having enough protein intake for their own health benefit.
Your flagship brand, Coasties, offers ready-to-eat snacks, ready-to-cook snacks. What inspired you to start this journey?
In Aquadore Ventures Private Limited, we do a lot of different things related to fisheries. But specifically for value-added products, we have our brand Coasties, which is a registered brand and trademark. As we come from fishing community, we always wanted fish to be more accessible to a vast majority of the people. We know there is a lot of nutritional deficiency which is going on in various age categories. So we want to make non-vegetarian snacks more affordable and more accessible to people. Under Coasties, we are doing baked as well as fried products. We want people to be healthy but also enjoy the taste of the products. So yes, that is why we came up with the Coasties, under which we are doing ready-to-cook and ready-to-eat non-vegetarian snacks.
Apart from Coasties snacks, Aquadore also works in the aquaculture farming. Could you briefly explain about your farming activities and how they support your product?
So as farmers, we have our own ponds and we have a few dams that we have taken from the government on lease. So we do a lot of local selling as well as a lot of experimental work in these water bodies so that we can use modern day technology to see how you can get a better yield and a better product in a short period of time. With our access to the market, with our access to academicians, with our access to industry stalwarts, we share that knowledge with the farmers who are in need of it, and in turn we take their produce and give it a proper access to the desired market. So other than our value-added products, we also look at trading of specifically tilapia fish, which is a very underrated fish. It has a lot of value in the international market. So we act as aggregators for farmers and well-established people who are having pond aquaculture systems. We act as aggregators to have these fish, tilapia fish especially, collected, and we give it to exporters for export to various countries as per their specifications, as per their requirements. Tilapia is a fish which can be grown very easily and in varied conditions. So it is very easy to grow. And the production that happens is very beneficial for the export.
And Coasties also includes prawn chips, seaweed chips, fish chips, something more. So how these products are special in compared to the other products in the market?
So compared to the other snacks in the market, first of all, I would like to say there are not many non-vegetarian snack items available in the market. So for us also, it's a challenge in category creation. Whatever products that are available, most of them are imported from other countries. As we want to give access, as I spoke earlier, as we want to give access to these products for a larger audience, I think it is very necessary that we have a mixed basket. Our products include chicken chips, prawn chips, fish chips. There are seaweed chips also, and other products. We are even working on products with dry fish. और हम ये करना चाहते हैं कि सब लोग इसका मजा उठा पाए, हर एक को इसको एक्सेस मिले और एक अच्छे प्राइस पे एक्सेस मिले. We are mainly looking into that.
Sir, and also many young people often crave tasty snacks, but they are worried about the quality. How your products make serves as a better option in terms of healthier for the consumers?
I wouldn't say better. It is one more option to the consumer. As it's a non-vegetarian snack, we know there is a category of people that will not have this. But people who are non-vegetarians, you have one more option, a tastier option, a much more natural option, which you can eat. As you know, many youngsters are into gymming. They are into recreational activities. And to take care of their protein intake, they can always look at our snacks. And they are as natural as possible because we almost try to avoid any artificial chemicals or additives for making our snacks. So it is very important for us to keep it as natural as possible. So we are striving for that. And it's a continuous process of research and product development. So yes, it was definitely better for youngsters. And we will keep that in our mind when we are further developing other products in this line.
Sir, who are your main customer, either students or travelers or families? Who?
I would want my products or our products to be for everyone. It is for everyone. Anyone who was a hardcore non-veg eater or someone who wants to start. Okay. We want these products to be available to everyone, be it a student, be it an office-going person, be it someone who just wants to have something in his bag while he is traveling. For me, we are designing these products for everyone, for all categories, for all levels.
Sir, for people listening to this podcast, how can they reach your product?
So we are still in the launching stage. But you can definitely reach us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. We have a website, Coasties.in. And we also have our company website, Aquadore.in. So you can definitely reach us on any of these platforms and we'll definitely get back to you.
That's so good, sir. Where do you see your product in the next few years?
So we are starting small. We are in Alibag, Raigad in Maharashtra. We would want to expand gradually, go to tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities, and would want our product to be a pan-India product, which is available very easily, not just in a localized manner. Because right now the issue is whatever products that are also other than our products are present in the market are not available throughout the country easily. It's very difficult. So accessibility is a big problem. In the next 5 years, I would hope that we get the validation for our products and we would want to go in the export market and send our products, Indian products, to other countries for them to enjoy as well.
Thank you so much for sharing your wonderful journey and introducing us this exciting seafood innovation, sir. Coasties shows how aquaculture, modern processing and quality control comes together to create a tasty and nutritious product for the consumers. This is Aqua Talk Podcast presented by MANAGE-FISHub, bringing you real stories and innovation from the fisheries ecosystem. Until the next episode, this is Nivedha CK signing off. Thank you for watching.